Typical shower partitions are built of masonry or lumber and sheathing, which is time-consuming and requires further preparation prior to setting tile. Schluter KERDI board can be used to quickly and easily create lightweight, stable, and self-supporting partition walls that are immediately ready for tiling. Here's how to do it. Depending on project requirements, 2-inch thick KERDI board should be used for self-supporting partition walls. In this application, we are using the KERDI board ZB and KERDI board ZW stainless steel profiles to further stabilize the partition wall. The profiles are fastened to the floor, walls, and ceiling with the appropriate screws. Butter the KERDI board with thin-set mortar and solidly embed it into the U-shaped profiles secured to the floor and wall. The thin-set mortar application between the panels allows adjustment for leveling of the board. Continue this process using thin-set mortar between the boards to stabilize the connections. Place the final panel against the ceiling, abutting the KERDI board ZW profile. Open-ended partition walls can be further stabilized and finished with the KERDI board ZA or KERDI board ZB profile. Schluter KERDI band waterproofing strips are used to seal joints in the KERDI board partition wall and inside wall corners. The banding is bonded to the KERDI board using unmodified thin-set mortar. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency but still able to hold a notch. A 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notched trowel or the Schluter KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, is used to apply the mortar. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the KERDI board joints with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface, and then comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. Embed the KERDI band into the thin-set mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife to ensure full coverage and remove air pockets. Repeat the process at all seams, ensuring that the minimum 2-inch overlap is achieved at all transitions. Schluter KERDI board offers endless possibilities for creating custom shower elements, including partition walls.